to our community. This is a social media style platform where we can share our makes, connect with other sewists, and use hashtags to browse patterns and materials. I'm Kate from Minerva, and I'll be sure to link my personal profile down below if you'd like to follow me here. I'm so glad you're joining me for today's video. We are going to be looking at the Meat Milk Tencel Loopback French Terry. It's what I'm wearing. Keep in mind that you can use hashtags to browse these materials, as well as when you're on the product listing, you can scroll through to see what others have made with this fabric. And don't forget to look into the Minerva Craft Club account for constant savings. I also want to remind you that there's a great coupon code when you sign up for a Minerva account. It's totally free and it opens up a ton of opportunity for you to connect with other makers. And it would be great if you could hit that follow button above this video right beside our name. It just means we're gonna show up on your feed when we post new photos and videos and that sort of thing. It'd also be great if you could like, share, and save this content. It's all free and it really helps us out. And as always, leave me any questions or comments down below so I can get back to you. Okay, so on to this fabric. As you can see, it is quite drapey, it is nice and flowy, and it is so cozy. It is 94% Tencel, lyocell, and 6% elastane. Tencel is a man-made fiber similar to viscose and modal. It's made from the eucalyptus tree and it's made through a really sustainable process. It's a closed loop system and it hardly has any loss of solvents. Being such a sustainable fabric, this is also Oeko-Tex certified. Tencel is the trade name for lyocell, and this product actually uses less energy and less water to make than traditional cotton, making it a super sustainable option for us as sewists. Being a French terry, this is a knit fabric and it has 30% horizontal stretch and 50% vertical stretch. It's a mid-weight French terry. It's actually quite thin, but it is cozy and has some heft to it. I love this fabric. This is the maroon colorway and I'm crazy about it. This specific listing comes in quite a few different colorways, so if you're not into the maroon like I am, I'm sure there'll be something there you can find. It's very easy to cut and work with, and it goes through my serger so nicely. If you don't have a serger, it will do well on a regular sewing machine as well. It is a great beginner-friendly fabric. It has a nice drape and flow to it, and it has a nice soft, smooth hand, and I really do encourage you to check it out because it is just stunning. Thank you so much for watching, liking, sharing, following, and being part of this community. I can't wait to see what you create. Happy making!